Make this delicious salad next time. To begin our recipe, we'll cut half a red cabbage and put it in a bowl. Let's also cut some lettuce leaves, one tomato, one red onion, grate one carrot, and cut one apple. We'll put all of these ingredients in the bowl. Now we'll need one orange and one lime. Let's squeeze them. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. We'll put the juice in a bowl, add olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Let's mix. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Now let's add the dressing. And mix everything very well. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10 for this recipe. It's very important for us to know what you think. How gorgeous is this salad? And our recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.